Okay, so I measured from here to here, and it's right at 2 inches. Then I measured from the back of the cup to here, and it's 31.5 inches, give or take a quarter of an inch, which this measurement isn't, isn't that important. I mean, you don't want it, inches off, but it's pretty close. So now, let me pause it. Okay, so then I came down here, I made a mark at 2 inches. I made another mark at 31.5. And now what I'm going to do, that's just reference, I'm going to wrap this with just some painter's tape, on either side of the marks. Then I'll remark over the painter's tape. And let me do that, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, there's that piece. So now I've got the marks back over the painter's tape, basically where they're the length. And what I need to do now is I need to have something straight. You notice the level back here. What I'm going to do is tape this to the level to keep it in rigid. Then I'm going to run my marker. I just need to mark in the places here where they overlap, and that'll give me a straight line. And that should be it. I mean, then I need to get a V-block and a drill press, and I'm sure I can pretty much eyeball that and get it straight enough to do what I'm going to do. But that's the next phase. Okay, so what I did is I taped it to the 4-foot level. This is a 1 meter stick, and I held the Sharpie, trademark, straight up and down, and moved it here and here, so the marks should be close enough. So now what we'll do is we'll take it down, and I can probably sight down it and see that they are they're correct. Okay, and I've taken it off. There's my mark here, here's my mark down here, and if you sight down it like a gun barrel, it's pretty close. Hard to see on this viewfinder, but it's pretty close. Maybe it'll work better the other way, I don't know. Let's see here. There's up. The important thing from here on out is to make sure that this is vertical, so it goes through the center of the pipe and you're not offset drilling it so it comes out sideways. That's going to be the sticker, is to make sure it goes right through the center. And that should pretty much be it as far as fabricating, except for maybe a little pinhole. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a very small drill and work my way up. The finished hole should be a 1/4 inch, and I'm going to work my way up to that, and that way I won't try and punch a whole 1/4 inch drill right through the carbon, and hopefully it'll be less chance of splintering. Doing it in a drill press and holding, very light tension on it. And that's it. And step 3 will be when I put it together. Thanks for watching.